Hello everyone, today's lesson is lesson 74, reading a thermometer using the Fahrenheit and Celsius scales. So here we have a thermometer. A thermometer is used to measure the temperature or how hot or cold something is. This thermometer has two scales on it, Fahrenheit and Celsius. Now, not all thermometers are the same. Sometimes the Fahrenheit and Celsius scales are on opposite sides. So you can see we show Fahrenheit with a little raised circle and an F. And a Celsius is a little raised circle and a C. Okay. So we use that little raised circle to say the word degrees. So if I wanted to say 5 degrees Celsius, I would do 5 degrees Celsius or 5 degrees Fahrenheit. So you can see between the Fahrenheit and Celsius scales, the numbers are not the same across from each other, except for at 40, and I think just 40. Negative 40 is the only place that they're the same. Okay. So on the Celsius scale, each of the little marks is 1 Celsius, and the same on the Fahrenheit scale. No, on the Fahrenheit scale it counts by 2s. And on the Celsius scale, it counts by 1s in between each. So it'd be like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, up to 20. And on the Fahrenheit scale, it goes 60, 62, 64, 68, 70, 72. That's the difference between them. Celsius scale has 1 degree difference, and the Fahrenheit scale has 2 degrees. Okay. So if I want to find 30 degrees Celsius, I would go up and find the number 30 with the line next to it, and that's 30 degrees Celsius. 30 degrees Fahrenheit would be between the 20 and the 40, so right in the middle. That would be 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Now notice 30 degrees Celsius is warmer than 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Now the lines on the sides here show different important temperatures. For example, the first one is the point where water freezes. Water freezes here at the bottom at 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius. Now another important point on the thermometer is here at the top. At the top, we have the point where water boils. So water boils at 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. So these other marks are where body temperature is. So this middle one here. So body temperature is at about 98 degrees Fahrenheit or about like 37 degrees Celsius. It's close to that anyway. Okay. And then room temperature water is this next one. And that's about 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 23 degrees Celsius, I believe. It's close. You can always look up to see the exact, and it also depends from house to house what the temperature is like. Alright, and that's how we read a thermometer. Thanks for watching.